Hi guys, so today we are going to show you what is the error that comes up on your system if you have an incorrect bulb type on your Kia Sorento. Now mind you, this one actually had the halogen lamps which kind of blew, and I just got a cheap H7 LEDs and then put them in. They do work, but the problem is there is a warning sign, and this warning pops up every now and then telling you that there's a problem with your lights. So it'll keep telling you like there's a check, right hand side light or left hand side light. So yeah, so just to fix that issue, what do we need to do? Actually, that's an incorrect bulb type. So what do you need to get? I will show you the type of bulb you can put in, which is inexpensive and also will work without any error. So these are the Oxito H7 LEDs. As you can see, they come in a nice box, and then you can buy them for about $38 on eBay or on AliExpress. They do work, and yes, they are canvas compatible. I hope these ones fit properly, and then let's go on and add it onto the card. So let's go ahead and remove that. So you rotate this counterclockwise like so, and then you'll see this one comes off. So once you have that off, you will see there is the small long plastic thing that you have to go counterclockwise. So I'll just show you quickly that one. I'm pretty sure you can see this one now. That plastic thing that there is the one that you have to reuse to remove it. So you go to counterclockwise, so go this way, and then this one comes out like, and you will hear it click sound. Yep, there you go, that's off. And now we will take it out. So gently pull it out. Obviously, if you have a halogen one, you've got to be very extra careful. So that's how it looks like. So yeah, once we remove this old LED, put a new one in, it should be okay. They look very similar. The only difference is the one that came with Oxito, it has a marking at the back. It says H7 and it's a round thing on it, whereas the generic one has like a square kind of thing. The square base versus the round and other points. So yeah, let's get on with it and then put the Oxito one and then take out the generic one. Okay, so the new one has gone in. It actually fits really well because it has a groove. It knows where to go. You can't put it incorrect way. So let's just put this one in back and then start the car. So this is the other side. I thought we will just go ahead with the first, only one light, but yeah, let's just go ahead and take out that one as well. So similarly, just go counterclockwise, hold the plastic thing, and then take it out. Yep, that's the... Okay, so that's the other one. So we're just gonna take this out and put the new one. So it's very easy, just pull it out. So hold it from the base and then start taking it out. Just be careful, don't hit anything. There we go. That's the old one, the squarey one. And we will put the round looking one. This is the one that's actual correct one. So yeah, just put this one in. As I said, the plastic groove, this plastic thing will go down here, so you can't put it incorrect way anyway. So yeah, just push it. There we go. Now this one goes in and then we'll start the car. Alright, so this is looking better. So after we change the globes to the Oxito canvas ones, I can see there's no warnings popped up anymore, and then yeah, that should be okay. If you guys have any questions regarding what to buy and what not to buy, let me know. Obviously look for the light that has the canvas written on it, so canvas warning error, something like that. So once you find the correct listing, just get one of those. I will say stick with Oxito. They're not expensive, they're like $38. So if you find something else, let me know. Thanks guys.